Hey everybody, it's Evan from devixen.com, and today we're going to look at how to host your React app on Vercel for free. If you find this video useful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Alright, so to get started, you're going to actually want to head over to vercel.com. I have a link in the description. And then you're going to be met with this front page, and we're actually just going to click Start Deploying, which is going to take you to this page. Now you can choose from a GitHub repository or from template. Now for this video, I'm going to show you how to use a GitHub repository and hook that into your Vercel app. So let's just go ahead and click continue. And now here it's going to ask you if you want to sign into GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. In this case, we're using GitHub, so I'm going to sign into my GitHub. All right, and then it's going to ask you to import a GitHub repository. So to do this, we're going to need to get the URL of our GitHub repository. All right, so now I'm at my repository, so I'm just actually going to copy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the code button right here, and then I'm going to click the copy icon. We're going to go back to the Vercel page, and we're going to paste our URL to our GitHub, and we're going to click continue. Now it's going to ask us for a project name. By default, it just imports the name of your GitHub repository, but you can change that if you want. And because we're going to want to host a React app here, we're going to make sure that this says create a React app in the framework preset. And this preset basically tells Vercel how it should set up and build our application. So all we have to do is click on deploy. And as you can see, Vercel is building our React app right now on the console over here. All right, and now that we can see that is successfully built our application, so let's go ahead and click on the visit button to make sure it worked. And as you can see, our React app is now being hosted. Now, of course, if we go to the open dashboard, we can see the state, when it was created, the domains. Now, if we want to view the build logs, we can click on view build logs. And here you can see in our logs that the app was built successfully. You can also go and click on view domains, and you can add your own custom domains if you so wish, or you can just keep it the same, doesn't matter. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You're now hosting your React app on Vercel, and the best part is that Vercel actually is letting you do all of this for free. If you need help or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, or you could join the devixen Discord server, and I'm sure someone will be able to help you out there. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.